Are you sure he really said that, Skarloey? I'm sure he called George a rolling pin, if you say so. Look out below! Yelled Peter Sam as he rushed through the yard. Yeah, poof. Ow. That hurts. Well, at least my gunpowder vans aren't loaded. Or are they? Oh dear. Yes, they are. They are not loaded. So you were right. Oh, okay. Peter Sam, are you okay? I'm fine, Skarloey. Just a bit banged up. So can you please get the breakdown train for me? Why, of course. Thank you. Oh, Sir Handel's gonna be laughing his head off. And he was right. 3 hours later. Ha! Look at you, Peter Sam. I thought you would be smarter than this. Than to pull all that by yourself. Just leave me alone. I see you've lost your funnel. Just like your last funnel. Those two never learned, do they, Skarloey? No, they did not, Rheneas. They do not.